services purpose. Okay, yeah, President of India visiting the foreign countries, 25 to 40 crores. So, maintenance of Palace of Versailles is also very expensive. So, the Louis XVI tried to increasing the taxes on that situation. The French society is divided into the three estates. Estate mean group. Okay, the French society divided how many groups? Three groups, three estates. Group mean estate, three estates. First estate consists of clergies. Who are clergies? Already we read in a 12th chapter. Clergies mean the church authoritative persons. The church authoritative persons like the priest, bishop, cardinals and pope. Okay, these are called clergies. Second estate person, nobilities. Nobilities mean landlords. Next one, relative persons of the kings. Third estate consists with high businessmen, merchants, lawyers, court officials. Third estate also divided into three groups. First group, high businessmen, merchants, lawyers, court officials. Second persons, peasants and artisans. Least in the society, in least group, small peasant, landless laborers and servants. Nowadays the Indian society also divided into three groups. First one, richest persons like the Tata Birla, Anil Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, Wipro Premji. Okay, these are richest persons. Second, middle class families, middle class. Third one, below poverty line people, poor people. So in the France society also divided into three estates. First estate, clergies. Second estate, nobilities. Third estate, high businessmen, merchants, lawyers, court officials, peasants and artisans, small peasant, landless laborers and servants. Okay. Next one, livres. Livres means currency in the France. What is the meaning of livres? Very, very important. Livres means currency in the France. Okay, India rupees, USA dollars. Okay, France livres. France also dollars in nowadays, but in 1794 year, livres is the currency name. Next one, clergy. Clergy mean a group of members in the church. Already I told in 12th lesson, clergy means a group of persons in a church. First one, priest. Second one, bishops. Third one, cardinals. Pope. Pope is the highest authority, spiritual head of Christianity. Next one, tithes. Tithes mean a tax laid by the church. Church also collected the taxes from the common people. Okay, in India not allowed, but in France in 1700 years on the time, the church also collected the tax from the common people. Okay, the tax is called tithes, 1/10th percentage of taxes from the common people. Next one, thailing. Okay, thailing means direct paid the taxes to the state. Okay, common people directly paid the taxes to the government. Okay, that tax, direct tax name is called Thaili. Thaili. Next one, nobles. Nobles means rich landlords and king family members. King family members are king related persons. Relative persons. Okay. Next part we are explained about French administration. Okay.